Hi, this is Carrie with Trauma Services. When it comes to biohazard cleanup, there's no room for shortcuts. Many property managers think a quick wipe down or using basic cleaning supplies will do the trick. But the truth is, improper cleanup can continue to pose a threat long after you think the job is done. First, health risks. Bloodborne pathogens, bacteria, and viruses can remain on surfaces long after an improper cleanup. This puts your tenants, maintenance staff, and future occupants at risk for serious illness. Second, odor issues. If contaminated materials aren't fully removed, lingering odors can make the space unbearable. And that smell? It's usually a sign that deeper contamination is still present, requiring professional attention. Finally, there's a legal liability. If someone gets sick or injured due to an incomplete cleanup, property owners can be held accountable, leading to costly legal battles. That's why it's essential to trust professionals like Trauma Services. We follow strict protocols, use specialized equipment, and ensure the space is fully decontaminated and safe for everyone. Don't take chances, protect your property, your people, and your peace of mind. Click the link below or visit our website to learn more.